Study based on today's blessing, 21st of June 2026. I am a flying bird. Experience this by immersing yourself in the spiritual intoxication of complete study, of being double light, the feeling of trustee, and by becoming equal to Father Brahma in the stage of being an embodiment of attainments. Take a deep and peaceful breath and withdraw your intellect from all four directions of this atmosphere and focus your attention to center of your forehead. I am not this body. I am a conscious divine point form of light, the soul that runs this body. I'm completely surrendered to the Creator Father by becoming complete in remembrance through my mind and intellect. I do not have any subtle consciousness of this body on any form of I because my Father is Avyakt, this angelic form. Hence, I also, along with the body, I have finished all types of bondages completely and have become set in my Avyakt form. I'm absolutely light, pure, and the stage of being above everything else. I am looking at Father and with bodily medium of Father Brahma through my eyes, the spiritual and divine form of the Father, the one that is completely a trustee and a selfless servant. I am bringing remembrance of the Father's pure promises. They'll remain, stay together, walk together, and will rule together. And in order to fulfill the promises, I am walking on the footsteps of Father Brahma. Even by staying in this world, I am completely trusting. Nothing is mine. Everything is the Father's. My nature is that of loving togetherness, and my attitude has made everyone cooperative. I do not have any selfish motive. While doing service, I am a selfless server soul. I'm experiencing that through the method of complete surrender. All the ego and mind inside me has become completely finished. Now I have only one foundation in my life, that is one might and one trust. I have complete faith on myself, on the Father, and on this created drama. At this stage of a victorious intellect, that is, a firm intellect always becomes victorious stage, and being in its spiritual intoxication and experiencing the supersensuous joy, my face and my behavior is automatically reflecting it. My eyes have the sparkle of godly love, and my face has this immovable peace and a spiritual smile. I do not have any worry for any matter because the Almighty Self is the charioteer. The present time is the time of becoming completely free and not to be bound by any bondages. I am myself free from all the bondages, and I am a flying bird. By experiencing myself to be free from all bondages, by spreading my wings of knowledge and power, I am taking a long flight in this unlimited open sky by flying high. By coming in this high stage, all the old nature and the clashes of sanskars have been left behind the souls. There are no differences of opinion, no heaviness. Here, only there's an experience which is alaukic, being complete with all the specialities and a divine life, and completely free, fearless, and happy. I'm completely set in this stage of being equal to Father Brahma in this Vatan, and I'm absolutely close to Bap Dada and form of being an equal companion. Through the method of complete surrender, my life has become now an embodiment of success. My thoughts have so much power that every elevated thought is automatically becoming successful. From my stage of being the flying bird and an embodiment of success, I'm spreading pure vibrations in this entire world. Through I, the elevated soul, the beautiful golden white rays of divine powers, immovable faith, An endless lightness is constantly flowing from my forehead. These rays are reaching those souls in the world who, even now, have been caught in the mesh of the authority of the body, bondages, and their old natures and sanskars. Those who are still experiencing heaviness and peacelessness. These powerful rays mine have reached those weak souls. They've also received a way of becoming free from the bondages of this material world. Also, the clashes of nature's sanskars have become over. They are also receiving one trust of the Father, through which they have become the one with a firm intellect, and they're also receiving the inspiration to become a flying bird. In all four directions, the beautiful atmosphere of purity and complete surrender is being created. I am an embodiment of peace. I'm completely free. I am equal to Father Brahma by becoming an embodiment of success and a flying bird soul. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.